Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport. Today we've got something different on the dyno. We've got a VUU, but it's got a 383 stroker. Come over here, we can show you. It's got our CNC heads, 36 pound injectors. Still got the standard air intake on at the moment. We will upgrade to a fast. Basically, want to show you this bottom end was built elsewhere. Customer then got it all built up. We supplied the camshaft, the cylinder heads. It's one of my favourite camshafts. It's a big banger. It's a 252 110, so it's got some serious overlap and it's got some serious sounding on idle. Pretty hard to tune, but if you do buy it, we could probably help you out in that department. So what we'll do is we'll start it up now and we'll give you a listen. So we've got it working pretty well. We can go to the back, we can give it a whiz. It's pretty lumpy, 110 load set. So what we'll do now, put on the rollers and we'll show you what it can do. Okay, pretty impressive, 346 rear wheel kilowatts. So that is your basic LS1 with a stroker crank in it. It's still got the Cathedral heads. There's a GM Motorsport CNC heads on it. Still retains a 75mm throttle body. So guys, if you've got these poking around, it doesn't cost that much to make them an animal. It is a man's cam. It is a 252 110. It's not for the faint-hearted. You did hear though, we turned the key, it started and it got organised. What we'll show you here is it makes good power, good torque, and does everything. I've got an overlay of a 6 litre Calais, so a much bigger engine in the Gen 4, and you can see that the power difference is huge. And you can see the torque difference. So that's your 6 litre, standard form from Holden. This is your LS1, stroker crank, but still retains all the Gen 3 stuff, so basically Cathedral heads, tiny little 75mm manifold. So we're going to upgrade this one a little bit later with a 102 and see what it does as well to make them cylinder heads and that camshaft breed. But it shows you don't need to have that. If you're on a budget, you can do what this guy's done, Jared's done, and he's going to upgrade after Christmas and done. So guys, hope you like it. Australia Speed TV, GM Motorsport. Stay tuned till next time. Thanks.